In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep students from joining or rejoining a Google Meet without you. This is a crucial skill, especially for teachers looking to manage their classrooms more effectively and maintain control over their virtual environments. Let's ensure that your meetings stay private and secure, providing you with peace of mind and a focused classroom space. To start, open your web browser and navigate to Google Meet. If you're already logged into your Google account, this process will be even smoother. Once you're on the Google Meet homepage, look for the option labeled New Meeting. This is your gateway to creating a scheduled meeting where you can have complete control over who joins and when. Click on New Meeting and you'll be presented with several options. Choose Schedule in Google Calendar. This selection is essential because it allows us to leverage Google Calendar's scheduling tools to manage your meeting effectively. Next, the Google Calendar window will prompt you to create a new event. This is where you'll specify all the details for your meeting, such as the date, time, and guest list. It's important here to make sure that you have the correct time and time zone set, particularly if you have students joining from various locations. You can also add a meeting title that's clear and descriptive, making it easier for you and your students to identify the purpose of the meeting. At this point, if you wish, you can invite specific participants by adding their email addresses under the guest options. This feature allows you to control exactly who receives the invite, ensuring only the right attendees have access to your meeting link. It's a good practice to double check that the email addresses you input are correct to avoid any confusion or missed connections. Once you have filled out all the necessary fields and are satisfied with the meeting setup, it's time to finalize your meeting by clicking the Save button. Saving the event locks in all the details you've entered, sending out calendar invites to your students or participants. This not only sends them the necessary information to join, but also secures the meeting link within your event details, preventing anyone without direct access to the link from jumping into the session uninvited. And there you have it. By using Google Calendar to schedule your Google Meet sessions, you effectively control who can join your meetings. This approach helps prevent students from joining or rejoining meetings without your supervision. It keeps your meetings secure and ensures a smooth experience for both you and your students, so you can focus on what truly matters, teaching and learning. Thanks for joining today, and stay tuned for more helpful tips on managing your virtual classroom.